viewers, in this video I'll be showing you how to add another person to manage your Facebook page. Before I continue, please don't forget to like and share this video, and also follow or subscribe to Michrotec depending on where you're watching from. So now let's get down to the video. When you're in your Facebook page home, you click on the manage button. It takes you to the professional dashboard. You'll see a settings icon at the top right. Click on it, then you will see page access. Click on page access, then it's going to open this menu where you see two options you can use: people with Facebook access and people with tax access. Please, the level of privilege or control you are willing to give will determine which of these options you need to give. Facebook access means the person will have access to manage your page directly from the Facebook app. The person will be able to use your page as a manager, make posts for you, moderate comments and other things using the Facebook page, app rather. Tax access on the other side limits the person to using other Facebook tools such as Meta ads that's running ads on your behalf, or Meta Business Suite. But you can't access the page from the Facebook app. You can't assume to be a manager from the Facebook app. You have to use other tools. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add access with one of them, and we're going to use Facebook access. Let's assume we want to add a new person to this page using the Facebook access. I'm going to click on new at the top right there. The next thing you have to click on is next. Then now you have to search the name of the person you are going to add. To make this very easy, make sure the owner or the admin, as the admin, you are already a friend to the person you are about to add. That means both of you are already friends on Facebook. That will make the name appear much faster. So let's assume I want to add someone with the name David. You can see there are a lot of David, and this is my younger brother. Let's assume I want to add him. Now Facebook is going to write out all the privileges that will be given once you give that person access to your page: content, message and calls, community, ads, insights, and so on. And then there's one button at the bottom. Only turn on this button if you want to give the person full access, admin level access. Admin level access gives the person total control of the page as the owner. Never do this except there is need for it. Never do this to someone you don't know fully, because anybody with such control can undo and do your page. So if you don't tick that button, if you don't turn on that button, what you are going to give the person now is what we call partial access. The person can manage your content, your messages, your community activities, your ads and insights, but the person cannot change the name of your page, you cannot delete your page, and you cannot add other people to manage your page too, except you turn on full control. So we're going to leave that off for now, and I'm going to give access. The next thing you have to do is to put in your Facebook account, and when you put in your Facebook account, that access will be confirmed. It will not be left for that person you have given access to go and accept the access, because the person will receive a notification in his Facebook that he has been requested to manage a particular account. So that person will have to go and review and accept it. That access usually lasts for some days. It doesn't last forever, it expires. So probably around 7 days or less. Within 3 to 7 days, that person is meant to go and review and accept. If it doesn't do that, that link will expire. So once you put your password, this thing will be sent, and once you press confirm, that will be. So this is exactly how you add someone to manage your page. Once again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and follow or subscribe.